Bernard resigned from a company he was earning 150,000 naira. Did you know why? He resigned because he wants to be a boss on his own, also wants to own a business. Bernard begin trading with cryptocurrency. Bernard find it difficult for his business to explore and also go global. One day Bernard was searching online, if he could possibly get a fantastic IT company that can provide adequate IT solution for his business. Boom. He found HB Web System. He made inquiries and contact HB Web System for his cryptocurrency website. 2 days after contacting HB Web System, he got a successful and interactive website. Now Bernard is very happy and has rest of mind. Are you like Bernard? Searching for the best IT solution for your business? Don't worry, with HB Web System, we got you covered. Visit www.hbwebsystem.com.ng or call 0814591697.